What if a hospital, a factory, and your phone could each get their own private network, all running on the same 5G hardware? That is network slicing. A slice is an end-to-end virtual network, radio, transport, and core, carved out of shared infrastructure with its own guaranteed performance profile. Video streaming wants raw bandwidth. Factory robots want millisecond latency. Smart meters want a SIP battery for 10 years. No single network configuration serves all three well. 5G core functions are software, so operators spin up separate function chains per slice. On the air interface, the radio scheduler enforces each slice's guaranteed share. Slicing needs standalone 5G core, and commercial deployments are still early. The technology works. The business model of selling guaranteed slices is the part still maturing. One physical network, many tailored virtual ones. That is slicing. Hit follow if this helped.